Hello students, welcome back to the SISYA class, and in today's topic we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction. And in this class we are going to discuss about various events in sexual reproduction, what is sexual reproduction, and at the end we will have very fantastic, interesting mnemonic for this. Now first of all we will discuss about what is sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction is a biological process which involves two parents. One is male parent, another one is female parent. Here it involves the fusion of male gamete, which is sperm, and female gamete, which is ova or egg. Clear? And it involves three steps. Let us take an example. Let us take an example of movie setup. Hero and heroine born in some place. Okay? Then they travel to some new place. This is, let us consider as the first stage. Second stage, they get married, and in third stage, they lead a happy life. So similarly, in sexual reproduction also, we can consider three events. The first one is pre-fertilization, second is fertilization, and third one is post-fertilization. Coming to the first stage, that is pre-fertilization. In pre-fertilization, it involves gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? It is the formation of gametes. What are the gametes? In females, it is ova or egg, and in case of male, it is sperm. Okay, here now the hero and heroine are born in some place, okay, in different cities. Now hero has to move towards the heroine. Here it involves transfer of gametes. Here the female gamete is immotile, they cannot move. But coming to the male gamete, which is sperm, which is motile. Okay, and here the male gametes are transferred for fertilization in female genital tract. The next event, here the male actor and the female actor will get married. Similarly, their fertilization involves the fusion of male and female gamete. Now what is the result? The result is zygote. This is the result. And moving on to the third stage after fertilization is post-fertilization events. So post-fertilization events involves implantation, cleavage, and development of embryo. So it involves embryogenesis. What is embryogenesis? It is the development of embryo in the womb. Okay? And here we have a trick for this. We all like to dance with our friends, yes or no? So here the trick is good friends dance, which involves G for gamete formation, F for fusion of gametes, and D for development of embryo. Okay, so these are the three events in the sexual reproduction in animals. The first one is pre-fertilization, second one is fertilization, and third one is post-fertilization.